Camp Griddlemore, whoever invented this 14-inch griddle with side burner at Blackstone is a straight up genius in my book. There's just something about having a griddle and a side burner that opens up a world of possibilities for great food at the campground. So let's take a look at 5 of my favorite camping dinners that work specifically well on this Blackstone 14-inch with side burner. So let's get camping and let's get cooking. If you have any kind of a smaller camping setup, like Sean's car camping setup, or my rooftop tent setup, or my friend Chris's camper van setup, or my friend Jesse's truck camper setup, this is a great combo to have because you can make so much great food. So let's dive into our list, and I love all of these, but we're gonna rank them from 5 to 1. At number 5, we have Grandpa's Franks and Beans, my sentimental take on a camping classic. Hot dogs on the griddle and baked beans on the side burner. This one is a no-brainer for your next camping trip, and it's sure to please the crowd. We mixed in green peppers, diced onions, thick cut bacon, and sweet baby raisin maple syrup to take this cook to the next level, and it definitely hit the spot on a cool day at the campground. At number 4, we have one of Sean's favorite camping meals, our pork belly bites with elevated ramen. This unit is also perfect for making pork belly on the griddle and ramen on your side burner and then pulling them both together for some serious campground deliciousness. We added green onions, sliced carrots, sesame seeds, chili onion crunch, and nori to elevate this steamy dish into the stratosphere. And of course, don't forget the Bachan's original sauce for extra flavor. At number 3, we have our take on the classic grilled cheese and tomato soup, which always hits just right on a crisp night at the campground. Grilled cheese and tomato soup can be simple, or you can zhuzh it up a little bit like we did and make something special. We used sharp cheddar and pepper jack cheeses to give us contrasting flavors, and then added diced jalapenos, red onions, and bacon bits to take our sandwiches over the top. Over on the side burner, we added croutons, fresh basil, and some chopped up sun-dried tomatoes and a little splash of cream to make our tomato soup extra delicious. At number 2, we have our delicious Jersey-inspired pizza steaks. Sean and I both loved our pizza steak episode because there was just so much deliciousness. Our secret weapon here was the Kerrygold garlic and herb butter, which made our sub rolls taste like garlic bread. We also used shaved ribeye and thinly sliced mozzarella cheese and diced pepperoni and pizza sauce, along with some Roma tomatoes to make a pizza steak that could easily be served at one of our favorite pizza joints. Once again, the side burner came in clutch, this time for heating up our pizza sauce before pouring it on our steaks. And at number 1, we have our ultimate BLT with fresh farm stand Jersey corn. This is so perfect at the end of the summer when the tomatoes and the corn are perfect here in the Garden State. We dream about this one all winter long. We used ciabatta rolls, romaine lettuce, and thick cut bacon to accompany our perfect tomatoes on this one, and then upped our mayo game with diced jalapenos, diced garlic, butter and rosemary, and a generous squirt of fresh lemon. And of course, we can't forget about our Jersey corn over on the side burner. Add some salt and pepper and butter to taste, and you will have the perfect companion to your ultimate BLT and the perfect companion for a relaxing summer night at the campground. Those are my 5 favorite camping dinners that we have made on this awesome Blackstone 14-inch with side burner. Sean, you've got this griddle too. What is your favorite meal that you have made or that we have made together on this particular griddle?
Isn't it obvious? It's the ramen.
It's gotta be the ramen. I knew you would rank that number 1. The ramen was totally awesome, but to me, you can't beat that ultimate BLT. All right, Camp Griddlemore, let me know which of these 5 meals is your favorite and which one you would like to try to make at the campground on this awesome Blackstone griddle, and we will see you next week right here on Camp Griddlemore.